Hi everyone, I'm in Yosemite, California, but I'm gonna take you along for the ride from LA up to here. It was wonderful. Today we are heading out to Yosemite, so I'm gonna take you on the drive right through California. We're coming from Los Angeles and should be there around 7:30 p.m. Looks like 6.5 hour drive. I'll show you all the Superchargers, all the goodies. Let's go. All right, you can see it looks like we're gonna have 3 supercharging stops: Tejon Ranch, Visalia, and Fish Camp before we get into the valley. Looks like each one is about 5 minutes, 12 minutes, 5 minutes. So they're breaking it up pretty nice. We are stuck in some wonderful LA traffic as usual, but I got Autopilot going and it's doing its job. Whoa, that's kind of crazy. What is going on? Well, update. There is a wildfire on the freeway, so I have been sitting in traffic for 40 minutes. And our updated time has now gone to 4:11, which is a real big bummer. It's really hot out too. Oh my Lord, 102. Crazy. And a fat AQI. All right, so here is what we've been in traffic with. Whoa, tons of fire trucks. I don't see a fire yet, but let's see. Oh, it looks like they actually cleared most of it. Wild. Huh. It went all the way up the hillside there. Well, folks, that was it. Oh, look, all through this canyon. Ooh, wild. Oh, wild. Okay, yeah, that would have been pretty insane. Crazy. Got this whole part too. Must have gone through the night. Finally. Oh my gosh, it is so hot out here. Oof. Just made it to Bakersfield, and gosh, that took way longer than I wanted to because of that fire, but here we are. So we got to charge for 7 minutes, then we'll be on our way. Unfortunately, we are not going to get to Yosemite before the sun goes down, but that's okay. That means you get to see it first thing in the morning. All right. We are at the second supercharger. Ooh, almost there, almost there. We're making our way, you know. So it looks like about 25 minutes, and then we'll make our way to actually one of the Rivian chargers in Yosemite. Let's turn this around so we can kind of get a gander here. Oh, look at that half dome, very cool. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the Yosemite Lodge area, and that's where we'll be able to charge back up at a much slower pace than Superchargers, but the fact that Rivian allows us to charge at their adventure waypoints is really cool. I'm very thankful to be able to go into the park and be able to come out on a full charge, so pretty sweet. I'm gonna hang here and then we'll be on our way. Certainly looking a little dirty, but my car has never been clean, ever. I tell the car washer basically do the bare minimum because it'll be dirty the next day. And they laugh and cry at the same time, basically. So we're getting the bed set up here. This one I got on Amazon. It's pretty sweet. And I've got my my blankets here, and it is super comfy, really comfy actually. And then I've got my sleeping bag here. This one I'm gonna put on top of the bed with my little pillows. Amazing. On the road again, and we have one more supercharger to go to. This one is gonna be in Fish Camp. Oh, it's gonna be very pretty over there. Oh yeah, Yosemite, let's go. Nature. We're at the beautiful Tanaya Lodge on the way to Yosemite. And we only need like 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes to just top up, and then we'll make our way all the way to the Rivian waypoint. Let's see. Yep. So 5 minutes, and we're getting there. Having a blast. Oh yeah! Beautiful, beautiful! All right, now we go in the tunnel. This is tunnel view, the famous tunnel view. We made it. We made it. Sick. Oh my gosh. That's insane. All right, that's it. We successfully made it to Yosemite. If you want to see what I'm getting up to, I'll put the link in the bio, in the description. We're doing some climbing. Tesla in the dark. Cool. So we're at the Rivian charger right now. As you can see, free to charge. I've got my adapter here. There you go. And should be charging. There we go. Cool. And we can confirm. Perfect. I mean, a lot of hours to charge, but overnight it'll be just perfect. Good morning. We're gonna end the video driving through the valley. We've got El Capitan to our left. Wow. Just beautiful. It's gonna be a great weekend.